JFK III FCC. Radio reset. The radio has two reset options in the menu. One is all, resetting all functions, and the other is scan skip memory reset. To perform either of these functions, press the F key. Then long press the F key again to enter the menu. Use the channel up-down buttons on the radio or on the microphone to select the reset function. Press the EMG key to edit the function. Use the up-down button to select all or SC. Press the EMG key to confirm your selection. If all is selected, the radio will restart automatically and be reset to factory settings. If SC is selected, it will clear the scan skip memory channels and return to normal use. You're all set. Please be sure to check out our other instructional videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe to receive notifications when our new content is added.